Welcome to the FishTec instructional video on how to use your LCM map by means of your emulator. First of all, go to the email that I sent you and you'll see there's an attachment there. That is the file we want to either get onto an SD card. You're just going to save it to an SD card and insert it into the card reader slot on your Lowrance. Or if you don't own a Lowrance with the SD card slot, you can just use Lowrance's free emulator, and the link is in the email that I sent you. So if you click on that link there, it is going to take you to their download site. Scroll down and select the emulator. It's quite nice to use this nice big LCX112 to do the maps. Makes it quite easy. It's quite a big file, but it's worthwhile. So download that. I've already downloaded one, so let's go to that. Once downloaded, it'll look like that. You'll then double click on this icon and this will now load the program to your PC. Once loaded to your PC, it'll bring up an icon like that. But don't click on it yet. You need to take the map that you've just bought and put it into this actual program. You go to My Computer, C drive, Program Files, look for Lowrance or Lowrance Electronics, Unit Demo, and Maps. Go back to the email, click on the attachment, right click and copy. You can now paste this map into the Lowrance Emulator folder. There it is there. Okay, you're ready to go. Open the emulator by clicking on the icon. There's nothing you can do on the screen with your mouse. You've got to do everything on the keypad like you would on your boat. So first thing we're going to do here is push exit. The first time you open this, you'll probably find you're over the United States, and you'll need to move your right cursor to come over South Africa. Once you get over South Africa, you'll notice a little black square. This is indicating that in this area there's a map here that you have bought. You need to zoom in. If you're not sure where to start looking, because at some point everything's going to go blank like that, go back to the email which I sent you, and I would have there's the basic area of where the map is. So 2926 south and 3024 east. So let's go there. You're going to use your cursor, T34, 2926, 3034, and start zooming in. Oh, just saw a peep of it there in the corner. There it is. As you start to zoom in, the map will start to become clearer, and you'll start to see the waypoints and the contours. It might seem a bit cluttered at this point, but once you zoom in, it'll start neatening off. Here you can see these depth values. These were recorded at 104% on the dam, and if you use meters, you can change this by going into your system setup menu in the units of measure, and not under depth but under speed. You need to change that. You need to change that to metric. Your map should now be in meters. I like feet. It's smaller increments, so let's take it back to that. Statute is the one that you would need for this. You'll see now it's in feet. Now, you can zoom in and zoom out. If you find something of interest on the map, you think, okay, that's a handy little spot, you can make a waypoint here. To do this, you can double tap the waypoint button on the emulator. You can repeat this step all over the map. Once completed, you can take your cursor, by moving your cursor over this waypoint now, and hit enter, waypoint again, and that is now going to give you the data on this waypoint. You can either edit it, delete it, or you can take the longitudes and latitudes and convert that to a file in a waypoint manager, such as GPSU or any one of those type of programs, and they can be deleted quite simply if you made a mistake or do not need that one any longer. Thank you for taking the time to look at my instruction video. For any further information or articles or frequently asked questions, please go visit our website at www.fishtec.co.za. We'll see you on the water.